Hello students, how are you? Welcome to Mehdi English School. Myself Nilofer Miss and my subject is mathematics. And today's online lecture is for the class 2. So I hope that you all are ready to attend today's online lecture. So keep your notebook and pencil with you so we can start our online lecture. Now as you know this thing that we always begin our lecture with the quote, right? So today also we are going to start our lecture with the quote, and this is the quote of the day. Every day is a fresh start. What it means that every day is a new beginning. Every day is a fresh start. Just forget what you did in the past. Yesterday, what you did in the yesterday, just forget it. Every morning is be like a fresh start. So if you do something wrong in the past, in the yesterday, so just forget it and try to start your new morning like a fresh refreshment. So let's start the revision of the essay 2 and the chapter number 8, exploring multiplication further. As I told you before also that the base of this chapter is a tables, so please do tables. Table is a base for this chapter. So if you want to solve this exercise and worksheets of this chapter by yourself, so always learn the tables, always do revision of this chapter and tables also. So here let's start the revision first of the yesterday's lecture, of the last lecture. So if anybody have any doubt, so it can be solved. So let's do revision, and please do revision every day and every subject. Please do revision of every subject and every day. So it will improve your study, your knowledge and everything. So let's do revision now. So now dear students, now let's see some examples of the multiplication fact table. What we will see? The multiplication fact examples. So if any student is forgetting this topic or still having some doubt regarding this topic, so it will be a solve throughout these examples. So let's see the examples of the multiplication fact. So here is number 1. Let's start with the number 1. Here is 1. 2 fours. So 2 fours is equal to 8. If you know the tables very well, this thing can be very easy for you. But if you know the table, then and only then you can easily solve this types of worksheet or this multiplication fact table. Now 2 fours are 8. So what the multiplication fact of it? It should be 4 twos is equal to 8. 2 fours is equal to 8 and 4 twos is also equal to 8. This one is a multiplication fact. Now number 2. So 2 sevens. 2 sevens is equal to 14. 2 sevens are 14. So I hope that you know what the multiplication fact should be. It should be 7 twos. 2 sevens is equal to 14. So the multiplication fact for it is 7 twos is equal to 14. Now number 3 is 2 threes. 2 threes is equal to 6. 2 threes is equal to 6. So the multiplication fact for the number 3 is 3 twos is equal to 6. 2 threes is equal to 6 and 3 twos is also equal to 6. Now number 4. So here the multiplication fact rule is applied, that whenever you multiply any digit with 0, so the answer will be 0. If you multiply any number with 0, you will get the answer 0. Always, whatever the number is, I repeat this thing again, that whenever you multiply any digit with 0, so you will get the answer 0. Now here 2 multiplied by 0, you will get the answer 0. So the multiplication fact for this is 0 multiplied by 2 is equal to 0. Now number 5, 2 fives. So 2 fives is equal to 10. 2 fives is equal to 10. So the multiplication fact for it is 5 twos 10. What the multiplication fact for it? 5 twos 10. Now number 6, 2 ones. 2 ones 2. The multiplication fact for it 1 twos 1 twos 2. This is the multiplication fact. Now number 7, 2 tens. Now 2 tens is equal to 20. 2 tens 20. So the multiplication fact for it is 10 twos 20. This one is the multiplication fact. Now number 8, 2 sixes. So 2 sixes is equal to 12. 2 sixes 12. Now the multiplication fact for it is 6 twos is equal to 12. This one is a multiplication fact. 2 sixes is equal to 12 and 6 twos is also equal to 12. Now number 9, 2 eights. So 2 eights is equal to 16. 2 eights 16 and the multiplication fact for it is 8 twos is equal to 16. 8 twos is equal to 16. Now number 10, 2 twos. So the multiplication fact is same. 2 twos is equal to 4 and 2 twos is also equal to 4. So number 11, 2 nines. So 2 nines is equal to 18. 2 nines 18. Now the multiplication fact for it is equal to 9 twos 18. 9 twos 18. Now number 12, 3 twos. 3 twos is equal to 6. So the multiplication fact for it is 2 threes 6. What it should be? 2 threes 6. Now number 13, 6 twos. So 6 twos is equal to 12. 6 2s are 12. So the multiplication fact is 2 6s are 12. What the multiplication fact is? 2 6s are 12. Now number 14, 1 2s are 2. So the multiplication fact is 2 1s are 2. Now number 15 is 0 multiplied by 2 is equal to 0, and the multiplication fact is 2 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. Now let's move forward. Let's take the new one, exercise 8a, and the question number 3 of it. This one is your textbook exercise. Exercise 8a, question number 3. Let's start this. So the multiplication fact table, once one column is given and the new multiplication fact we have to write down. One multiplication fact table is given and the new multiplication fact sentence we have to write. One is given, one we have to write. Now here is 9 2s are. So 9 2s are is equal to 18. Here you can see 9 2s are 18. So the multiplication fact for it is 2 9s are 18. If here is 9 2s are 18, so we can write down 2 9s are 18. Now here is 3 5s are. 3 5s are 15. So the multiplication fact for it is 5 3s are 15. This way you can write down 3 5s are 15 or 5 3s are is also equal to 15. Now 4 10s are. 4 10s are is equal to 40. So the multiplication fact for it is 10 4s are 40. Here you can see 10 4s are 40. Now the next one, 4 5s are. So 4 5s are is equal to 20. 4 5s are is equal to 20. So the multiplication fact for it is 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20. This is the multiplication fact. Now the next one, 7 3s are. 7 3s are is equal to 21. 7 3s are is equal to 21. So the multiplication fact for it is 3 7s are 21. What the multiplication fact is for this sentence? 7 3s are 21. So the multiplication fact sentence is 3 7s are 21. Now the next one is 8 3s are. 8 3s are is equal to 24. So the multiplication sentence for it is 3 8s are 24. Here you can see 8 3s are 24. So the multiplication fact next sentence is 3 8s are 24. Now the next one, 8 5s are. So 8 5s are is equal to 40. 8 5s are is equal to 40. So the multiplication fact is 5 8s are is equal to 40. 8 5s are is equal to 40. So the multiplication sentence is 5 8s are 40. Now the last is 8 2s are. 8 2s are is equal to 16. 8 2s are is equal to 16. So the multiplication fact for it is 2 8s are 16. So this way you have to write down the multiplication fact. This way you have to complete these types of things. So this way you have to write down this in the rough book and fair book. I will send this in the homework group. So now let's start the practice of the dodging table. This practice you already had done in the standard 1. You already done this worksheet or the dodging table exercise in the standard 1. So let's revise again this worksheet here. So the table is the table knowledge is increased and you can revise the table very well. Let's start with the number 1. So I hope that this worksheet you can solve before me. You can just give the answer before me. Now the number 1 is 5 fours or 4 fives. Both are same. If you know the table number 5, so you can speak the table number 5. If you know the table number 4, so you can speak the table number 4. So here 5 fours or 4 fives. In both the multiplication sentence, you will get the same answer. 5 fours is equal to 20 and 4 fives is also equal to 20. Now number 2, 5 twos. So here also the same thing applied, that if you know the table number 5, you can speak it. If you know the table number 2, you can speak it. So here is 5 twos is equal to 10 and the reverse 2 fives is also equal to 10. In both the situation, you will get the same answer. Now number 3 is there, which is 5 six. Here it is, I'll show you through this red dot. Number 3, 5 six. So 5 six is equal to 30. 5 six is equal to 30. And in the reverse, 6 fives is also equal to 30. 5 six is equal to 30 and in the reverse, the 6 fives is also equal to 30. So this way you can solve the dodging tables and it is very easy. Now the next one is number 4. Which one it is? Number 4. 5 fives. Here you have to speak the table number 5 only because both the numbers are same. No any different digits is there. So you have to speak compulsory the table number 10. Now 5 fives is equal to 25. 5 fives is equal to 25. Now number 5 is there, 5 tens. Here it is 5 tens. Or else you can speak 10 fives. 5 tens is equal to 50. 5 tens 50. And you can speak the table number 10 also, like 10 fives. 10 fives is equal to 50. This way you can just complete this dodging table. Now number 6 is there, 5 ones. The next dodging is 5 ones. It is very easy. 5 ones are 5, or else in the reverse you can speak that 1 5s are. What you can speak that 5 ones are 5, and in the reverse you can speak 1 5s are is also equal to 5. 5 ones are 5 and 1 5s are is also equal to 5. Now number 7. Here is the number 7. 5 multiplied by 0. 5 0. So here that multiplication rule is applied. What is the multiplication rule? I hope some students remember that rule. Let me tell you again that rule, that whenever you multiply any digit with 0, just focus on my words, that what I am speaking. Okay, I am repeating it. Whenever you multiply any digit with 0, you will get the answer 0 only. Whatever the digit is, it's maybe 5, 10, 10,000, 1 lakh, whatever the digit is. If you multiply any digit with 0, you will get the answer 0. So here 5 multiplied by 0, you will get the answer 0. And in the same way, if you multiply 0 with 5, you will get the 0 only. 0 multiplied by 5 or 5 multiplied by 0, both are same. In both the situation, you will get the answer 0 only. Now number 8. 5 sevens are. Now you can, if you know the table 5, you can speak it, and if you know the table number 7, you can speak it. So the number 8, 5 sevens are. 5 sevens are is equal to 35, and 7 5s are is also equal to 35. 5 sevens are 35 and 7 5s are is also equal to 35. This way you can solve these types of dodging tables. Now the number 9, 5 3s are. So same way you can speak both the tables. Table 5, so you can speak 5 3s are. And if you want to speak table number 3, you can speak 3 5s are. In both way you will get the same answer. 5 3s are is equal to 15, and 3 5s are is also equal to 15. Now number 10, 5 9s are or 9 5s are. In both the situations you will get the same answer, that 5 9s are and 9 5s are both are equal to 45. Both are equal to 45. Now number 11, 5 8s are and 8 5s are. Whatever you like the table is, you can speak it. 5 8s are and 8 5s are, both are same. So 5 8s are is equal to 40 and 8 5s are is also equal to 40. Now number 12, 2 5s are. So both the tables you can speak. 2 5s are is equal to 10 and 5 2s are is also equal to 10. Both are the same sentences. You will get the same answers. 2 5s are and 5 2s are. Now number 13, 6 5s are, or you can speak 5 6s are. You will get the same answer. 6 5s are is equal to 30, and else 5 6s are is also equal to 30. Both are the same. You will get in the both multiplication sentence the answer 30. Now number 14, 10 fives are. Or you can speak the table 5 also, that 5 tens are. 10 fives are and 5 tens are. In both the situation you will get the same answer, that 10 fives are is equal to 50 and 5 tens are is also equal to 50. So this way your table exercise will improve a lot if you do this worksheet or dodging table. Now the next is number 15. It is 1 fives are and 5 ones are, both you can speak. 1 fives are is equal to 5 and 5 ones are is also equal to 5. Both are the same sentences and you will get the same answers in both the situations. Now number 16, 3 fives are or 5 threes are is equal to 15. Number 17, it is repeating this sentence. It is 5 fives are. So 5 fives are is equal to 25. Both the digits are same, 5 and 5. So we are not speaking any other table. We have to speak the table number 5 only. Now number 18, that 5 sevens are or 7 fives are. So is equal to 35. 5 sevens are and 7 fives are is equal to 35. Now number 19, 1 fives are and 5 ones are. Both are equal to 5. Now number 20, 10 fives are is equal to 50 and 5 tens are is also equal to 20. Now number 21, that is 5 sixes are. 5 sixes are is equal to 30 and 6 fives are is also equal to 30. In both the sentences you will get the same answer. Now number 22, 5 twos are. 5 twos are is equal to 10 and 2 fives are is also equal to 10. Number 23, 9 fives are. 9 fives are or 5 nines are. 9 fives are and 5 nines are. Both are same. You will get the answer 45. Number 24, 5 multiplied by 0. So as I told you the rules sometimes before, that whenever you multiply any digit with 0, you will get the answer 0. So here also we get the answer 0. Now number 25, 5 eights are. 5 eights are or 8 fives are. Both are the same sentences. You will get the same answer. 5 eights are is equal to 40 and 8 fives are is also equal to 40. Now number 26, 4 fives are. 4 fives are is equal to 20 and the another way 5 fours are is also equal to gives you answer as a 20. Now number 27, 7 fives are and 5 sevens are. Both are equal to 35. 7 fives are is equal to 35 and 5 sevens are is also equal to 35. Now number 28, 5 tens are. 5 tens are is equal to 50 and 10 fives is also equal to 50. Now the next one, 29 number, 5 ones is equal to 5 and the 1 fives is also equal to 5. The next one is number 30, 6 fives. So 6 fives is equal to 30 and 5 6 is also equal to 30. So this dodging table worksheet will help you a lot to remember the tables, and it improves the table exercise also. So please always do revision of this worksheet. Now thank you so much students for your attention. Please write down this dodging table worksheet as a homework 2 times in a rough book, and please do revision very well and stay home, stay safe. Have a nice day. We will meet in the next lecture. So have a nice day. Bye bye.